Ladies and gentlemen, our honorable chief guest for the day, Admiral Karambir Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, ADC, Chief of the Naval Staff and President of the Yachting Association of India. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It was just the other day that somebody asked a question as to what is the difference between faith and knowledge. There can be umpteen definitions to that, but I heard a very interesting one in which somebody said that when Mrs. Ram Bharose says that she has 3 children, that is what we call knowledge. But when Mr. Ram Bharose says that he has 3 children, that is what we call faith. But ladies and gentlemen, it is neither faith nor knowledge, but a firm belief and conviction when I say that this is indeed a historic red letter day, not only in the history of the Laser Class Association of India, but also in the history of the sailing as a sport in India. Because this day we witness the closing ceremony of perhaps one of the most fiercely contested sailing events in India over the recent years, the Hyderabad Sailing Week 2021. And we are indeed proud that we have in our midst Admiral Karambir Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, ADC, Chief of the Naval Staff, and the President of the Yachting Association of India. We are indeed too honored to have you in our midst, sir. To begin the proceedings, I would now request Lieutenant General T.S.A. Narayanan, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Commodore Remi Sailing Association, the President of the Laser Class Association of India and the Kite Board Association of India, as also the Vice President of the YAI, to kindly deliver the welcome address. General T.S.A. Narayanan.
Good evening, everybody. Our esteemed Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Vice President Secretary Club, all the dignitaries, as well as Joshi, Commandant CDM, Colonel Bhatia, Jadeja, all the dignitaries in the front row, and my dear friends, and of course members of the organizing committee, friends from the media, and dear sailors. It is really a momentous occasion for us today in the Twin City that each one of us, as we assemble on the shores of this beautiful and iconic Hussain Sagar, Vice President Red Letter Day, Raghuram Reddy of Sailing, as it gives President of the Secretary Club, in extending a warm Mr. Rahul Rao, Vice President Secretary Club, all the dignitaries, as well as Joshi Tasa, Commandant CDM, Colonel Bhatia, Jadeja, all the dignitaries in the front row, and my dear friends, and of course members of the organizing committee, friends from the media, and dear sailors. It is really a momentous occasion for us today in the Twin City that each one of us, as we assemble on the shores of this beautiful and iconic Hussain Sagar. It's a red letter day of sailing, as it gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Admiral Karambir Singh, to this closing ceremony. It's a matter of great pride for all of us to have such an illustrious personality among us on this momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, even though a person of his stature needs no introduction, still I would like to highlight some of the credentials for the info of this august gathering. Admiral Karambir Singh assumed the command of Indian Navy on 31st May 19 as the 24th Chief of Naval Staff. An alumnus of the National Defence Academy, the Admiral was commissioned into the Indian Navy in July 1980, and is earned his wings as a helicopter pilot in 1981. In a career spanning 41 years, he has commanded various ships, including destroyers, On promotion to flag rank, the Admiral held the appointment of Chief of Staff, Eastern Naval Command, Chief of Staff of the Tri-Service Unified Command at Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Flag Officer commanding Maharashtra and Gujarat Naval Area. As a Vice Admiral, he has been Director General Project Seabird, Deputy Chief of Naval Staff, and subsequently the Vice Chief of the Naval Staff. He was the Flag Officer commanding in Chief Eastern Naval Command at Vishakhapatnam prior to taking over as Chief of the Naval Staff. As the President of Yachting Association of India, he has been instrumental in the rapid strides that sailing as a sport has undergone in India. His leadership and guidance has resulted in our sailors qualifying for the Tokyo Olympics and participating in the same. I am sure that under his guidance we will soon hear good news about our sailors winning laurels at the international events. A word about Hyderabad Sailing Club, Hyderabad Sailing Week, I will put it. This event in the laser class of boats, which is an Olympic class for both men and women, is being conducted regularly since 1986. The event, now properly known as the Hyderabad Sailing Week, took a huge leap forward in subsequent years. By including the senior multi-class event, we ensured that the sailing, all major and senior Olympic classes are held together at one place. The twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad provide a very conducive environment for the sports of sailing. The vast expanse of Hussain Sagar Lake in the midst of the twin cities has proven to be nursery for top-class sailors, many of whom have achieved national and international honors. Hyderabad has got the proud distinction of producing some of the finest sailors in this country. Some are late Major A. Basit of EME Sailing Association, who was the first Indian sailor to participate in the Munich Olympics in 1972. Late Mr. Pradeepak, an Arjuna awardee who won a bronze medal for India at Asian Games in OK Dinghy. He was also a member of EME Sailing Association. Colonel Dikit, retired, who won a gold medal in the Asian Regatta in windsurfing in 1981 and also participated in Seoul Asian Games in 1986. Honorary Captain Rajesh Chaudhary of EMESA Sailing Association is an Arjuna awardee and also a product of Hussain Sagar. He won the bronze medal in 2002 and 2006 Asian Games and also has won many national and international honors. Ladies and gentlemen, the enthusiasm of sailors and the interest shown by the spectators and the media during the Hyderabad Sailing Week has been stupendous. From a humble beginning in the year 1986, this event has come a long way, as is evident from the unprecedented level of participation and then the success we have achieved this year in spite of COVID-19. This has been also an exciting year as we have had 102 entries and sailors competing in laser. We actually deliberately kept it as a laser only this time and not a multi-class event because of COVID-19. We did not want too much of crowd. But for just lasers, we have been able to get 102 entries. I am sure that through this untiring effort put in by the Laser Class Association of India, the host clubs, the Sports Authority of Telangana, and the Yachting Association of India to promote sailing, we will produce many more champions in the years to come. For the first time, we have included prize money for the Hyderabad Sailing Week, which is the first for the sports of sailing in India. Sailing is a great sport that tests an individual in all dimensions, that is physical, mental, and technical. A champion sailor needs all these qualities in good measure and has to be calm and composed to be able to handle the shifting winds and waving patterns while racing. A truly eco-friendly sport, it creates a deep sense of eco-friendliness in each sportsman and also eco-awareness who all sail. I take this opportunity to compliment each one of these sailors who have participated in this championship. A regatta of such magnitude couldn't have not been possible without the professional committee which monitored the entire conduct. Our esteemed officials and technical officers who have conducted the event in the utmost professional manner. I thank them for this and my compliments to each one of them. In the end, I would like to wish all the sailors the best in all their future endeavors. God bless. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Narayan sir. As the President of the Laser Class Association of India had mentioned, this evening is indeed truly special because of the presence of our esteemed chief guest. May I now request Admiral Karambir Singh, Chief of Naval Staff and the President of the Yachting Association of India, to kindly deliver the keynote address.
Lieutenant General Narayanan, Commandant MCME, Mr. Raghuram Reddy, President of the Secunderabad Sailing Club, dignitaries on and off the dais, participants, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure. It's a great honor for me to be here to share this stage with all of you and spend some time with you. Most importantly, it gives me a good excuse to get out of the heat of Delhi and be with you. But most importantly, I'm very happy to be here to share some moments with the enthusiastic yachting community from all across the country. I'm also very glad that we could start doing some real yachting after a very long time. And I compliment all participants and organizers of this event for having overcome the challenges of COVID. It's a no mean challenge. It's a very difficult days for us, and to get this event done was great work done. For all the participants, staying away from sport that you love and you live for is extremely difficult, and especially in sailing, because you require to constantly hone your skills and do a lot of practice. It requires a lot of practice because you have to master this very challenging issue of harnessing the winds. You have to be ready to wait patiently to overcome a particular, patiently to overcome a lull patch, then tighten your sheets or maybe even shorten your sails when the gusts start. All that you have done admirably, and I think slightly monsoonic conditions must have given you pretty nice winds to challenge you as you went along with the competition. Personally, I have sailed the Enterprise at a very basic level, crewed the catamaran, and I've been a very enthusiastic windsurfer. And these experiences have led me to admire yachtsmen all along, because they are the ones who use their intuition, their skill and instincts to harness the waves and the winds. And in the Navy, we have huge ships, we've got a lot of power, but we always tell people that you need to know sailing, because you cannot fight the forces of nature, you've got to respect them. And this is what sailing teaches you all. You often experience winds that are never steady, and they change direction just when you require them, the waves that bring their own challenges, yet you have to sort of harmonize with nature and stay on course. And in the boat, there are no books or apps or almanacs to guide you. It's all your instincts and your skill that gives you. So I really want to compliment all of you for being participating in this sport. I am also sure that the past week would have enriched you both in and out of the water. When you take part in a race, or the invaluable race experience that you derive from such races, the interaction that you have with senior sailors, the mentors and the coaches, they go a long way in shaping your future. And no matter what the results, I'm sure that all of you who have taken part in this have become better sailors in one way or the other. Here I would like to congratulate the award winners for their performance and hope that this success keeps spurring them on to greater heights, as also inspiring all those youngsters who want to follow in your wake. I got to meet some of you when I came in, and I'm sure your performances are going to motivate the rest to follow in your wake. The Hyderabad Sailing Week was established in 1986 and has produced, as General Narasimhan said, produced numerous sailors of national and international repute, and therefore the efforts of EME sailing associations, which have transformed this annual event into a national ranking event with the presence of international jury, is something which is commendable. Big round of applause to them. So as one of the most awaited events in the YEI sporting calendar, I hope the Hyderabad Sailing Week continues to rise in stature, expand in participation, and attract the best talent in our country and provide the perfect launch pad for our budding yachtsmen. The success of the Hyderabad Sailing Week is also a testimony, like I mentioned, for the perseverance and dedication of the organizers, the EME Sailing Association. And as the President of the Yachting Association of India, I place on record my appreciation to the organizing committee for having made this event possible, and General Narayanan for leading his team through some tough situations. I also thank all the volunteers who worked tirelessly to make this behind the scenes, to provide all the young sailors the well-deserved opportunity to get back to sailing. I am confident that the collective resilience that you have all shown will go a long way in cementing India as a credible powerhouse in the field of yachting. You know, yachting has been steadily growing, not at the pace that we wanted to, but now, having seen what happened in the Tokyo Olympics, I think it's a short should be a shot in the arm for sailing. Having 4 sailors who have qualified competitively for Tokyo sailing to Tokyo Olympics. I met Netra, Vishnu, Ganpati and Varun in Delhi, and in Rashtrapati Bhavan when the President met them, and I found that the President, the Prime Minister and the Sports Minister were extremely proud of the fact, first of all, that Netra was the first woman who has gone to Olympics, and to these yachtsmen who competitively got into the fray. So I think this is a great opportunity and a great accomplishment for all of us, and we must now move ahead on this, and I'm confident that all of you who have taken part, many of you, will reach higher heights and get better accolades for this country. So finally, for borrowing from the Tokyo Olympics motto of united by emotion, I would reword it to say united by passion, and that should reflect the bond amongst this audience, and the events like this, like Hyderabad Sailing Week, should continue to ignite more minds, Indian minds, to take on yachting as a sport. So great work done, and I'd like to end by wishing all of you present here and all the participants happy sailings and fair winds. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, as you're all aware, the 3 fire engines that you saw outside the Secunderabad Club was not because of protocol. It is because of the fire that was in the Hussain Sagar water over the last 1 week, because of the fierce competition that we witnessed in the races here. Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to felicitate the officials who made this event possible, as also the sailors who won the laurels in this Hyderabad Sailing Week. May I now request our esteemed chief guest, Admiral Karambir Singh, to kindly give away the prizes. Ladies and gentlemen, we would first begin by felicitation of the officials who made this grand mega event possible. I would now request the protest committee members, Brigadier Jagdish Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, while I am taking these names, I wanted to add retired, but looking at the energy and the zeal, I do not want to add that word. Brigadier Jagdish Singh, International Judge. Brigadier G.S. Julka. Brigadier G.S. Julka, International Judge. Captain A.S. Patankar from the Indian Navy, International Empire. Colonel Captain A.N. Patankar, A.S. Patankar, International Empire. Colonel S.S. Sivach, National Judge. Major General M.S. Pillai, who has been the face of sailing for quite a few decades. Captain Arun S. and Miss Ananya. one of our most budding sailors coming up, Miss Ananya, who was part of the protest committee. I would now request members of the race committee, Lieutenant Colonel MP Jaggi, Colonel Satish Kanwar, Colonel Satish Kanwar, who was also the principal race officer for the Hyderabad Sailing Week, Commander M.L. Sharma, and Subedar Chaturvedi. Ladies and gentlemen, you will all appreciate that apart from the committees, a major role played by our support staff, the beach master, Subedar S.R. Raut. Please join your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. The support staff who made this event possible, Subedar S.R. Raut, the beach master, the rescue team in charge, Subedar Dilip Kumar, and the boat master, Mr. B. Parishuram. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. B. Parishuram, who has been the face of EME Sailing Association for many a decade. Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for felicitating our medal winners. I begin with the Laser 4.7 class girls. The bronze medal won by Laveti Jhansi Priya of the Yachting Club of Hyderabad. She receives the bronze medal and a cash prize of Rs 2,000. Ms. Laveti Jhansi Priya from the Yachting Club of Hyderabad. The silver medal, Ms. Neha Thakur from the National Sailing School. She wins the silver medal with a cash prize of Rs 5,000. The gold medal winner is Ms. Ritika Dangi from the National Sailing School. Please join your hands together. Ms. Ritika Dangi, she wins the gold medal, a cash prize of Rs 10,000. The Laser 4.7 girls champion, ladies and gentlemen. She wins a cash prize and she also receives the National Champion Trophy, overall winner in Laser 4.7 girls. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is the Laser 4.7 for boys. May I request the bronze medal winner, Mr. A. Sanjay Reddy from the EME Sailing Association. A. Sanjay Reddy from the EME Sailing Association. The sprint in the legs showing the energy and zeal with which the EME Sailing Association is functioning. He receives a bronze medal and a cash prize of Rs 2,000. The silver medal, Balle Kiran Kumar from the Trishna Sailing Club. The silver medal, he receives a cash prize of Rs 5,000. And the gold medal in the Laser 4.7 boys category, ladies and gentlemen, Chunnu Kumar from Trishna Sailing Club. He receives the gold medal, a cash prize of Rs 10,000, and the National Champion Trophy, the overall winner in Laser 4.7 boys category. Please join your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, receiving the trophy for the national champion in the boys category, Laser 4.7 class. Now we come to the Laser Radial women category. The bronze medal being won by Miss Sanya Punchkaran of the EME Sailing Association. Miss Sanya Punchkaran receiving the bronze medal and a cash prize of Rs 2,000. The silver medal being won by Miss R. Ashwini of the EME Sailing Association. Miss R. Ashwini, she receives the silver medal and a cash prize of rupees 5,000. Ladies and gentlemen, the gold medal winner in the laser radial women's category is Veeravamsham Vaishnavi from the Yachting Club of Hyderabad. You would have seen her name in the newspapers over the last 5 days. Veeravamsham Vaishnavi of the Yachting Club of Hyderabad, winning the gold medal, rupees 10,000 cash prize, and the trophy, the national champion overall winner in the laser radial class for women. She also wins, may I request her to kindly be there on the stage. She also wins the Major A.A. Basit Trophy for maximum wins in any class of the laser rig. Veeravamsham Vaishnavi. Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to the laser radial men's category. May we request the media personnel to kindly leave a little space so that the medal winners could reach to collect their medals accordingly. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the laser radial men's category bronze medal goes to Avinash Yadav from the Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center, Mumbai. He receives the bronze medal and a cash award of rupees 2,000. Ladies and gentlemen, the silver medal in the laser radial men's category going to Ram Milan Yadav from the National Sailing School. He receives the silver medal and a cash prize of rupees 5,000. And the winner in the laser radial category, the gold medal winner, is Sikanshu Singh from Trishna Sailing Club, another name you would be familiar with in the media over the last 1 week. Mr. Sikanshu Singh winning the gold medal, a cash prize of rupees 10,000. I would request Sikanshu Singh to kindly remain on stage. The Laser Radial Open SSC Laser Radial Rolling Trophy being awarded to Veeravamsham Vaishnavi and Sikanshu Singh. May we request Veeravamsham Vaishnavi also to come up on the stage, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a large round of applause to the SSC Radial Trophy winners, Veeravamsham Vaishnavi, the Yachting Club of Hyderabad, and Sikanshu Singh from the Trishna Sailing Club. Now we come to the laser standard category. The bronze medal being won by Mr. Dilip Kumar of the EME Sailing Association. Dilip Kumar of the EME Sailing Association, the bronze medal and a cash prize of rupees 2,000. The silver medal goes to Israj Ali of the Army Yachting Nord. Of course, he was a member of the EME Sailing Association. The silver medal winner with a cash prize of rupees 5,000. Israj Ali in the laser standard category. And the gold medal winner, ladies and gentlemen, in the laser standard goes to Mohit Saini, Army Yachting Nord, and of course EME Sailing Association. The gold medal winner, cash prize of rupees 10,000. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a name you ought to get familiar with because you will see his name much more in the coming days. He's among the top 2 sailors of the country as of today. I would request Mohit Saini to remain there because He also receives the Qatari Ball Trophy for the maximum wins in laser standard rig. He would continue to be on stage, ladies and gentlemen, because he is also the winner of the Kelly S. Rao Trophy for overall winner without discard in laser standard. Mohit Saini. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, Mohit Saini remains there because he is the overall winner, the national laser champion. Mohit Saini, please join your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Making the Army Yachting Nod and the EME Sailing Association proud, Mohit Saini. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an apt opportunity for us to convey our gratitude and appreciation for our esteemed chief guest. May I now request the President of the Laser Class Association of India, General T.S.A. Narayanan, to kindly present a token of memento of the Hyderabad Sailing Week to our esteemed chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest, Admiral Karambir Singh, is pleased to present a memento, a burgie, to the EME Sailing Association and the Laser Class Association of India. Please join your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. He is also pleased to present a burgie to our co-organizer, President Sikandrabad Club, Mr. R. Raghuram Reddy. Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, they say there's the latest medical research which says that if all of you join your hands together, it actually prevents COVID. May we request all of you to kindly join your hands together and give a large round of ovation to our chief guest and all the sailors, all the officials, and all those who made this event possible. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I would now request the Vice President LCAI, Major General J.S. Sidana, to kindly propose a vote of thanks. General J.S. Sidana.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our esteemed guest, Admiral Karambir Singh, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, 8D Camp, Chief of Naval Staff and President, Yachting Association of India, Lieutenant General T.S.A. Narayanan, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Commodore, EME Sailing Association, President, Laser Class and Kite Board Association of India, and Vice President, YAI, Mr. Raghuram Reddy, President of Sikandrabad Club, Mr. Rahul Rao, Vice President of the Sikandrabad Club, distinguished guests, sponsors of the Hyderabad Sailing Week, members of the organizing committee, friends from the media, and dear sailors. I consider it my proud privilege and an honor to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion in front of such a distinguished gathering. I would like to start off by paying our gratitude and heartfelt thanks to all of you for gracing this momentous occasion and thereby extending your support to the wonderful sport of sailing. I would like to place on record our gratitude and special thanks to our respected and revered chief guest, Admiral Karambir Singh, President YAI, for taking out valuable time from his busy and hectic schedule to promote what he himself has said, yachting in India. We are indebted, sir, for your continuous support and benevolence to this sport, which is now budding into an Olympic class. The promotion of sailing in Hyderabad would not have been possible without the valuable support of the state government of Telangana, and we are indebted to them, the Sports Authority of Telangana, for their wholehearted support and cooperation towards conduct of this event and in furthering the cause of sport of sailing in the twin cities of Hyderabad. I convey my sincere appreciation to the technical officers, race committee, the jury, and the organizing committee who have toiled hard to make this event a great success. A mega event of this magnitude would not have been possible without the support of a large number of stakeholders, sponsors, and well-wishers. I would first of all like to thank the Secunderabad Club for being our co-organizers and lending us invaluable support for the conduct of this event. I would also like to thank Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority, the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, and Telangana Tourism for their constant support. Besides the moral support, we also need the material support too, for which we are indeed grateful to the sponsors of the Hyderabad Sailing Week, namely State Bank of India, Kalyani Raphael, Advanced Systems, Canara Bank, Quantra Quads, Sugna Metals, Incredible India, Axis Bank, HDFC, LIC of India, Bharat Dynamics Limited, Guru Nanak Institutions, Bajaj Electronics, Paradise, Decathlon, Indian Oil, NTPC, PL Raju Constructions, 108 Emergency, Bisleri, Sachdeva Sports, Red Bull, and the publicity partners, Mojo TV and 93.5 Red FM. I would also like to place on record our thanks to all the army units in the station who have provided us invaluable assistance in conducting this event, including Headquarter Telangana and Andhra Sub-Area, 54 Infantry Division, 202 Engineer Regiment, 1 EME Center, the ASV Center, the Artillery Center. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Honorary Secretary General of YII, Commodore B.R. Singh, who has always been providing us the necessary support in all our endeavors. YII has constantly reposed faith in us, in our ability to conduct various events, and I must say that we have proven up to the task every time. I would like to acknowledge the untiring efforts of Brigadier Jagdish Singh, Brigadier Jhulka, and Colonel S.K. Kanwar, who conducted the National Judges Seminar, Mr. Ajit Dias for the National Measurers Clinic, and Honorary Captain Rajesh Chaudhary, VSM, for the National Coaching Camp, and all the distinguished dignitaries and officials without whose support we could not have conducted this event. Last but not the least, we would like to thank all the sailors who participated in this mega ranking event wholeheartedly, bringing out the best in each one of you. The event is a success primarily because of their spirit and their participation. In the end, I would like to wish all the participants and the sailors of the Hyderabad Sailing Week success in all your future ventures. May you bring greater glory to your club, to yourself, and to the nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, General Sidana. May I now request all of you present to kindly rise for the national anthem. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. May I now request you to be kindly seated because we have the group photograph with the medalist, because it's a golden opportunity to honor them with this moment of posterity. May I request all the medalists to kindly come in front of the stage, please. With the same energy and the zeal which we witnessed in the waters, may we request all the medal winners to kindly come up quickly in front of the stage, please. We would request all the medal winners. May we request the media to kindly give them a little way so that the medal winners could come. Otherwise, nobody would be there in the photograph. May I request the media to kindly give them a little way. May we request all the sailors to kindly come up, please. All the medal winners. The laser 4.7 boys and girls in front, followed by the women and the laser standard. You can come a little more closer to the stage. Little more closer to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the men and women, boys and girls who made us all proud in the last 1 week at the Hyderabad Sailing Week. Thank you very much, sir. I would now request all the officials and sailors to move to the EME Sailing Association for the group photograph together. I would also request our esteemed chief guest to kindly honor us with his presence at the group photograph. May I request all the sailors and all the officials to move to the EME Sailing Association for the group photograph. Thank you very much.